Our learning target today, we are learning to show fractions on a circle and to compare fractions. To be successful today, we can show and compare fractions with accuracy.
Hey, third grade mathematicians, thanks for tuning in another week. So excited to get to teach you some math. Today, we're looking at math lesson 11. Yours in your packet will be blue, but it should say fractions of a circle, or in Spanish, fracciones de un círculo, okay? So go ahead and pause the video if you don't have this out yet and get it out. And let's flip to that very first page, okay? So mathematicians, before we get started, why don't we review what a fraction is? And before I tell you, why don't you think about it to yourself? What is a fraction? And I'll magically make it appear here. That's right, mathematicians. A fraction is an equal part or parts of a whole. So if on that first page you're looking at fractions of a circle, we'll need to fill in the circle to show each fraction. And on the first one, it's done for you. The example says 1/4. And you can see that circle's been broken up into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. And so they've shaded in one of those parts because their numerator, the top number, is 1 out of 4 equal parts. We have 4 total, so 1 is shaded. So mathematicians, if we look at the second part, part A, let's draw a circle, okay? Is it a perfect circle? No, but it's good enough for now. Let's look at, it's broken up into 3 equal parts. So we have 1, 2, 3 supposedly equal parts. Mr. Davis is making some mistakes here, but that's okay. That happens. One of these parts should be shaded in because it's asking for 1/3. So your circle should look like this. So go ahead and shade that in. Now on our next circle, it's still made up of 3 equal parts, but we're looking for how many of those parts, mathematicians? That's right, we're looking for 2 parts. So your circle could look like this, or you could shade in the other part that you didn't shade in there. After you complete C, D, and E, mathematicians, move on to question 2 and use those pictures you've drawn up there, the shaded in fractions, to help you compare the fractions and see which one is bigger, greater than, meaning this number is bigger. You can have less than, meaning this number is bigger, or if they're the same size, you're going to use, that's right, an equal sign, okay? So don't forget, the way I like to think about the greater and less than symbols is that alligator, it's an alligator mouth. The alligator is hungry and it wants to eat the bigger number, okay? So mathematicians, good luck. Try your best. If you get stuck, make sure you call your teacher. We're here to help you. Or you can use the answer key in your packet to help you. Good luck.